Hello, Division 4. All right, so the math today is 176, page 176. And it's just a continuation of us building on what we've been doing, where we did single digit multiplication, and then we went to double digit in the tens column. Now we're going to the hundreds times a single digit. And this is more or less the same thing we've been doing last week, but in the sense that it's showing you a different strategy where I was covering up numbers to kind of say it, or they've just actually just written them down. And what you can see here, they've got the 4 times 2 is actually right there. And you've got your first number there, goes into the 8. And this is in the ones column, right? And your next question would be your 4 times 6. And so they've actually made that question, which of course you're all professionals at this now. And you've got your 24, but remembering that the 4 would have to go in the tens column and you put the 2 in the hundreds column, but you're adding it at the later time. And then your third step is your 4 times 4, right? 4 times 4. So they've made it here. So 4 times 4 equals 16. And then that 2 from way over here, you're adding that 2 to give it the 18. And that would give your 1,848. Now, this is what we've been doing, but they've just kind of wrote it out this way. If it helps you, it's like I said, it's one about showing you different strategies of the same concept. So if you find that this is actually makes more sense, by all means use it. If you're like, well, okay, I can see where this is going, I'll do it today this way and have it in my toolbox for a later time, but it might not be for you. But as always try it and see if it works for you. So of course, this first one is, well, very straightforward. It's the one time but it's still following the idea. So the idea is that we're multiplying 1 times 7, 1 times 2, and 1 times 5, right? Those are the 3 questions. And I know it's the 1 times table, but it is what it is. So, of course, we have 7 there, and we have the 2 there, and the 5 there, which, of course, then you could bring in your 527, which is pretty straightforward. But let's turn to the next one. So our 3 questions here would be 8 times 0, 8 times 8, and 8 times 2. Right? And I probably shouldn't put it right there, but so our first one, of course, is 0. And then the next one, so we can put the 0 there. The next question, 8 times 8, of course, gives you 64, right? Now that 4 would go in the tens column, and that 6 would have to go up here, right? And then 8 times 2 would give you 16 plus that 6, which gives you 22. So 2,240, right? Now another way, like I said, I could have probably chosen a different way to put that. It's a little bit tight for some of us, especially some of us who write quite large like myself. But the idea is that that's what you're doing in your head. Now, by all means, if it's makes a lot more sense that you're doing this already in your head, then this is for people who are like just need a little bit more clarification. So I'll do one more together. So we have 5 times 4, which gives you your 20, right? That goes there, and the 2, because we know the 20, right? The 2 goes in the tens column, and the 0 is in the ones column. 5 times 4 would give you another 20, and then you get the 2, and you add that, so it'd be 22. And then 5 times 4 again would be 20 plus the 2, which gives you 20. All right. So hopefully, sorry about the crunch there. And like I said, I probably should have thought that one out earlier. We all need to learn, right? Okay. Until next time.